Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get a refund off on your trips on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after that you have logged in to your account, all you need to do now is to go to your trips. So you need to click on your profile, go to trips, and here you will find the trips that you have just reserved. Now you can click on the trip that you want to cancel, and here in the reservation details at the bottom we will find something that is called cancel your reservation or cancel the trip. And after that you will need just to confirm and add the reasons why you canceled the trip, and then you will click on next and confirm, and a refund will be sent to you automatically by the Airbnb services on the Airbnb platform, and you will have your refund that will be sent to your bank accounts or the method, the payment method that you have used. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.